Welcome back to Painting with Sarah. Today I'm going to be painting a lampshade. That's right, a lampshade. This gray color just wasn't doing it for me anymore, so I decided it was time for an update. Before I dive into the main event, the lampshade, I wanted to add a little warmth to the base as well, so I'm starting with this muted brown color called Driftwood by Country Chic Paint. I'm using my oval paintbrush to get it in these little grooves in the base. Now that the grooves are covered, I'm going to use my handy dandy painting sponge to paint the rest of the spindle area. The sponge makes it so easy and quick to apply paint to spindle shapes, and you won't get all the brush strokes that you would with a traditional brush. For the actual shade, I'm using this pure black color called Liquorice by Country Chic Paint, as well as a little spray bottle of water. Make sure you shake and stir your paint well. I'm lightly spritzing the lampshade with water in sections as I go. The water just makes it a little easier for the paint to spread nicely and soak into the fabric because this is a pretty textured, porous material. You could also just dip your brush in a bit of water or mix a small amount of water with your paint, but I personally find this is the easiest, least messy option. If you're painting a smooth, tight weave fabric, you might find that you don't even need the water at all. I let the first coat dry for about an hour, and this is what my second coat looks like going on. I'm getting great coverage, so it looks like 2 quick coats is all I'll need. And there you have it, a brand new look for my old outdated lampshade.